In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 underused hidden features and tips in CapCut PC. Let's get started. And today's video is sponsored by CapCut. Alright guys, let's go straight to it. This helps you to quickly search through your materials on your media side. It automatically brings out the corresponding clips too. For example, these are clips, images, sounds, and vectors imported on the media side. To find a specific clip or image without going through all of them, I can just click on the search space, type in the name of the image or the clip or the vector, and it's going to automatically show on the media side and also the corresponding clips or vectors or images. And later I can just drag and drop in the timeline. And doing this is going to save you lots of time in your editing process. You don't need to be going through all the materials under your media side. This is a feature you have to be paying when it comes to other editing softwares, and it's completely free in CapCut PC. This only works with captions generated by CapCut PC and not the default text itself. Below is a clip of me saying some random stuff. Just keep going, guys. Go to the left of the software, click on text, then click on auto captions, select the language you were using in the video, and click on create. The AI tool works really great on this very one. Now click on one of the text in the timeline. Go to the right side and click text. Then click template. From there you can select one of them, which are very clean and professional. My favorites are brown and quick brown fox template. Giving up, just keep going, guys. And just to think of it, it's completely free with CapCut PC. This is one tool that's going to save you lots of time when it comes to color grading in CapCut PC. In the timeline is a finished edited project that needs to be color graded. Color grading is mostly the last thing to do in the editing process. First, go to the left side of the software, click on adjustment, drag custom adjustment in the timeline. These clips are already color corrected and I just want to add a look to all of them. With the adjustments selected, go to the right side of the software. Then with the basic, HSL and curves, you can use that to dial in the look and it's gonna be applied to all the clips in the timeline. Also, you can easily make a duplicate of the adjustment and drop it on another clip in the timeline. And by doing this, you're going to have a consistent colors in your timeline. And one good thing about the adjustment layer is, let's say your client comes back and is not happy with the colors that you did with his project. You can easily delete the adjustment layer, or you can just do a tweak to the adjustment layer and it's going to affect the whole clips in the timeline. And this is going to save you a lot of time without doing it individually on the clips. Imagine it's a 10-minute or 15-minute project. That's going to save you much of time. If you are not using this, you are missing a lot when it comes to editing. This is a must for every video editor. Video editing takes a lot of time, and you knowing just some few shortcut keys, you're gonna cut that time into half, or if possible, less than half. As a practice, you can hover around the icons on the CapCut PC to see the shortcut keys, and later you can memorize them or write them somewhere in your notebook. Also, you can click on the shortcut icon on the top right of the software. Then from the pop-up window, you can find more shortcut keys, and also you can customize them to suit your style. You can do that by just clicking on it and later on input your customized shortcut key. My favorite shortcut keys are I for in, O for out in the media side. Then you can just drag in and drop in the timeline. Command C to copy and Command V to paste. Command B for the blade or the split tool. You should really start using shortcut keys in your editing process. For me, when I'm editing short, sometimes I edit 2 to 3 projects in one timeline. And by using the range tool that comes with CapCut PC, I can export just one project at a time. So for example, these are 3 projects that have been already edited in the timeline. Just select the part that you just want to export from the project. Right click, select range, then select an area by clip, or by using the shortcut key Shift X. It's going to select only that part, and from here you can click on the export icon on the top right corner, or you can use the shortcut key Command E. Then later you can export that clip. Then open folder, it's going to take you to where it saves, and you can see it exported just that version. Let me know which of the features you're going to use in your project down in the comment section box below. Alright guys, to try your hands on CapCut PC, you can click on the link in the description box below. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!